Welcome to the day 2 of Mission Prelims 150, where we are targeting to clear prelims in just 150 days with a structured, focused, and practice oriented strategy. So, our topic for day 2 were making of Indian Constitution and salient features. So, let's see what is the significance of these particular topic, how many questions have been asked in the past, and how we need to approach this particular topic. So while discussing on the making of the Indian Constitution, as we can see in this table, in the last 5 years time, around 3 questions have come. It wasn't one of the favorite topics of UPSC. UPSC not used to ask question from this particular topic in the previous time, but now UPSC has started asking questions. So it is significant. So you need to prepare this particular topic now. Okay. Coming to salient features, it is a fairly significant topic. Almost every alternate year they ask questions from this particular topic, so we have to have a hold on this. But the entire topic or the entire chapter is not important. Certain dimensions or segments of the chapter are very important, which we will be seeing in the questions. Like majority of the questions have been asked on what particular dimension, and that should become our focus for preparation. Okay, so let's move to the question. So here, while discussing about the making of the constitution, you can see question related to Constituent Assembly have been asked. Like in 2024, they have asked about the provisional president, because normally the president we know, but we generally avoid or skip provisional president sort of information. So that's why this particular question has been asked. Other than that, as the constitutional day was in the news, so they have again asked question on this, where the question wanted you to have a clarity on the drafting committee, like who was the chairman of the drafting committee, what is the significance or the role of drafting committee, that you need to be very clear about. Okay, so drafting committee becomes important. Other than that, in 2021 they have asked you question related to the constitutional status of India on 26 January 1950, when the Constitution of India came into force. So this, what it signifies, that while preparing this particular topic, we need to focus more on the chronology of event, plus majorly the drafting committee. While preparing the drafting committee, you must have a fair idea about the members, which include the chairman and other members all. Okay, that you need to be have fair idea about, and that's all. Not much from this particular chapter, so you need not to mug up everything. Okay, now let's move to the salient features part. In 2024, as you can see, they have asked question related to parts. Very important. Parts and schedule are UPSC's favorite topic from salient features chapter. You must have a clarity on them, especially the schedules. You definitely need to remember the schedule, which schedule is related to which particular topic or subject, that you need to have clarity upon, which can come into judicial review. What are the special provisions related to that particular schedule, when the schedule came into force, all that you need to have clarity upon. Okay, so yes, in this particular question they have asked about which part is related to what. So a simple table you can have, and you can just remember that. You can even have a trick related to it. Like the trick for schedules which everybody follows is Tears of Old PM. Now let's see what question have been asked other than this particular question. In 2021, they have asked you about which feature indicates the federal character. Okay, so you just don't read that India is a federal country or the federal feature of the Indian Constitution, but understand why it is a federal in nature, what all features it signifies, so that you need to have clarity about. As I have already told you, schedule is important. 9th schedule question has come. Which schedule question again in 1919. Then they have asked about again 9th schedule. So 9th schedule is really important. So while preparing this particular schedule, prepare everything. What all provisions it has, what is special about this provision, when it is came into force, like judicial review is applied or not, what is the procedure, everything you need to have clarity about it. Okay, then 5th and 6th schedule question came in 2015. 15. So it is very significant. You must prepare this particular segment. So when it comes to salient features, definitely schedules is your calling. If you prepare anything or not, that's completely okay. But prepare the two tables, the part table and the schedule table for sure. And in those schedules also, 9th schedule should be your focus. The primary focus should be given on the 9th schedule part. Okay. I think everything is clear about this. Practice questions and then you will be all sorted. Okay. So see you in the evening with the practice questions. Give your test and let's see where you are heading to. So all the best and take care.
Visit our website www.civilservantshub.com for more course details.